Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. If you are confused about creating text on a curved surface like this, you can use worm feature. First, delete this feature. We will use this sketch to make a text. Active worm feature. Use this sketch for worm parameter. You can use worm type like emboss type, debug type, and scribe type. And you can choose worm method like this. We choose this method. Click this face. OK. See, the text stick to the glass. Let's try another worm type. Choose this one. OK. See? And let's try last worm type. Click this one and OK. See? The text seems to stick to the glass. That is quick tips. See ya.